In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a subdomain to your Shopify store. This task is a great way to personalize your Shopify presence and make it easy for customers or clients to find you online. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin. This is your control hub for everything related to your store, so it's where we'll begin our journey. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left of your screen and find the Settings option. Click on it, and from there, select Domains. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your domain settings. Next, you'll want to connect the domain you're working with. To do this, you'll see an option called Connect Existing Domain. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll need to enter the subdomain you intend to connect. For example, if you've got something like shop.example.com, type it in exactly as it should appear. After you click Next, Shopify will take you through the specific instructions meant for your domain provider. Generally, this will mean accessing your domain provider's DNS settings. Common providers include GoDaddy and Namecheap, among others, so make sure you have your login details handy for those services. Now, here's an important part. You'll likely be creating a CNAME record to make sure that your subdomain points directly to your Shopify store. When doing this, you'll insert the subdomain prefix in the host field. For instance, if your subdomain is shop.example.com, you'll enter shop. Then, in the Points to field, you'll need to enter your Shopify store's unique domain. This will typically be something like shops.myshopify.com. Once you've set up the DNS with your domain provider, you'll head back to your Shopify admin panel. To make sure everything is linked up correctly, you'll want to click on Verify Connection. This will confirm that your subdomain is now directing people straight to your Shopify store. Some important points to consider. If you're using Shopify Plus, you have the advantage of adding up to 1,000 subdomains. For those using third-party domains, remember that changes will need to be made directly through those providers. If you run into any snags, double-check your DNS settings with your domain provider. Ensure that the CNAME record reflects the correct information. Additionally, you have the option to create subdomains specifically for customer account pages, which can add a professional touch to your site's navigation. Thanks for following along today, and I hope this guide helps you seamlessly connect your subdomain to your Shopify store. Happy selling!